course. Here we will see basic Docker commands which we can run on our Docker. So after installing Docker, we can check whether our Docker is installed or not by running Docker version. And after running Docker version, we can see what all we have, and we can see the version is 28, which says that we have correctly installed Docker on our system. We can install Docker on both Linux, Mac OS and uh, Mac OS and Windows as well. After running this, we can run Docker help, which will list all our Docker commands which we know. So we can run docker dash dash help. So this will list all our commands: docker run, execute, ps, build, bake, pull. These are all common commands. These are Docker management commands. These are Docker Swarm is for managing Docker containers. These are other commands. We can all see that few of the Docker command is Docker common commands are Docker ps, and which list all the container with the ID images. So it lists. We can also go and see other common commands. Docker images is also one command which is used for listing all the images. Docker login, Docker logout, Docker search, Docker version, Docker info, Docker bake, Docker pull. This is for pulling the images. Also, once logging into this, we can go to the Docker hub. Within the Docker hub, what we can see, we will see what are the general images are. So here we can publish our own images also, like AI models are there, security. So based on categories, we can see different kind of models available in Docker. So these are basic. So this is what we can see. Yeah, so this is all how it is. So guys, hopefully this video will be helpful. We learned how to list all the Docker command by using Docker help. This was a typo, Docker help, and we can see all the command. We can see all the images, all the containers. We can check for images into Docker hub, and we can pull those images if we need. Connect to your Kubernetes, Docker, Podman environment to Portainer. This is the particular purpose of this Portainer agent. So this is how it is. So hopefully guys, you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe this video. Thanks.